shit. Oh shit, I'm almost dead. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm coming. Gotcha. I got you. Alright. Keep running, keep running. Alright, so I'm killing... Oh, I've almost got Nighthawk.
Target down.
Shit, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I don't even know. Alright. Yes. Okay. Where's Darkblade? Where's Darkblade? Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shit, I'm down. Just kill him. Someone revive me real quick, real quick. Oh, shit. I don't think we have time. Yes! Yes! Got it! And I got the Darkblade fusion rifle.
Yes. May his dark soul go screaming into the pit between the stars.
I got the Darkblade fusion rifle.
With none left to lead in Oryx's
Yes.
wake, the Taken will languish, decay, but they will not die away. You have given us time.
Let me look at this fusion rifle.
Time to recover, to bury
It looks
the dead,
good.
and make ready for the
Battle
next
Runner.
shadow on the horizon.
Grenader. It looks pretty decent. It's oh, that impact! Holy shit! All right. Whew! We did it. Yeah. I wasted another 3 coins. I got the dark. I'm happy getting the Darkblade fusion. All right, I gotta go back to tower. I gotta go to Lord Shaxx, and he gives it to me. All right. Oh man. Yeah, I got like boots and a chest piece. The Darkblade Spite's only 286, so I'm gonna keep it, but I gotta infuse it a bit to make it usable. Yeah, mine's 286. On your fusion rifle? Let me see what mine has on it. It's got, I've got Battle Runner and Grenader. So a pretty bad roll, honestly. And bonus damage against Cabal Centurions. No, for the Darkblade sword, fusion rifle.
Disruption resolved.
I got a blue helmet engram. Woot. From the postmaster.
The Guardian steered our...
Promise me you'll take good care of that.
I got 2 crappy helmets and a crappy cloak. Yeah. My Cryptarch has progressed so much, like, since Taken King came out, because you get engrams like freaking candy. Alright, here we go, here we go. Let's get this.
Welcome back to the tower, Hunter.
Yes. Raze lighter. Raze lighter. It is an exotic sword.
Really appreciate your
Haha! I have the Raze lighter. Let me equip this bad boy. See what it looks like.